Welcome to Rustbuster's installation guide for GM's 1988 to 1998 C1500. Before you begin, if you are uncomfortable performing any of these procedures, we strongly suggest seeking a qualified professional. Make sure you have all required tools and utilities. Follow all manufacturer safety precautions. Step 1. Disconnect the vehicle's battery. Inspect for fire hazards such as leaking fuel lines or engine components. Repair or remove any hazards before starting. Step 2. Unbolt the truck bed and lift it to create working clearance. Remove any fuel lines, brackets, or clips from the work area. Step 3. Locate the front bed mount on the frame. If the frame rail integrity is acceptable, cut off the factory front bed mount by cutting its retaining welds. Step 4. If the frame rail needs repair, remove the factory front bed mount the same way. Grind the area to bare metal. Apply weld-through primer. Mark where the bed mount installs on the repair kit, and install the frame repair kit before continuing. Step 5. Grind the work area free of rust and debris, and apply weld-through primer. Step 6. Hold the replacement front bed mount against the frame rail using the factory silhouette or your repair kit markings for alignment. Following proper welding procedure, tack weld the front bed mount and frame reinforcement plate to the frame. Then fully weld all edges. Finally, apply a rust-inhibiting top coat. We recommend our Rustbuster Rust Converter and Primer spray paint. Reinstall any removed lines or brackets, then lower and reinstall the bed.